Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add apps on Amazon Fire TV. Let's get started. First, turn on your TV and your Fire TV. Make sure you are on the home screen. Now grab your Fire TV remote. From the home screen, move to the top menu and select Find. Then choose Search. Use the on-screen keyboard. Type the name of the app you want. For example, Netflix, YouTube, or Disney Plus. As you type, app will start to appear. Select the correct app from the list. Now you will see the app page. Select Get to download. Wait a few seconds while the app downloads. This may take a little time depending on your internet speed. Once the download is finished, you will see a button that says Open. Select Open to start using the app right away. And that's it. That's how you add apps on Amazon Fire TV. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.